What's up guys? Welcome to Cingment. This is my first video and I'm going to create this head rig animation using Duik Bassel. Before we go to the tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So this is my character. I designed and arranged this for a full character rig. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a full face rig animation with Duik Bassel. As you can see, I have separated all layers, because we need to rig each and every part of this character. Now save this illustration file and let's jump to Adobe After Effects. Now import the character to After Effects. Select Import Kind as Composition and select OK. Now create a new composition. Here I name it as Render and make it as Full HD. Composition duration 10 seconds and OK. Now drag and drop the character to the render composition. Now I need to scale this to fit my composition. So press S to scale and let's make it 32. Now press P to change the position. Great. Now open the character composition. OK. I changed the layer colors of the face layers, so it is easy to identify face layers. Today, I will do the face rig and I don't need these body layers. So click Shy and Hide Layers. Now I need to convert these illustrations to shape layers. Select all layers, right-click, Create Shapes from Vector Layers. Now press Ctrl and select Vector Layers. Then hide. Now you can see all the shape layers of the face. Select Head Layer and lock. OK. Select all shape layers and press P. Create keyframe and go to 10 frames and create another keyframe. Now press Shift and Page down together. It will move 10 keyframes to the right. And create another keyframe. OK. Now right-click on the position and select Separate Dimensions. This will separate X and Y axis. Now go to the first keyframe and select all layers except back hair and ears. Now move selected layers to the left. Then select back hair and ears layers and move to the right. Now go to the third keyframe and again select all layers except back hair and ears. Now move to the right. Again select back hair and ears layers and move to the left. OK. Now we need to create up and down keyframes. So go to the first keyframe again, select all layers except back hair and ears. Then move to up. Go to the third keyframe and move to down. OK. Now go to the first keyframe again and select the other two layers and move to down. And go to the third keyframe and move to up. Done. Now open the Duik Bassel and go to Rigging tab. Click on the small circle of connector and click Create a 2D slider controller. Now select those controller layers and move to up. OK. Select all X-axis keyframes and select Connect to Properties. Now, select all Y-axis keyframes and change axis to Y. Select Connect to Properties. Now, I will hide these layers. Now I need to create eyelids. So, create a rectangle shape like this. And change the color. Make a duplicate by pressing Shift+D. Move it down like this. Now move these two layers down. Make two duplicates of the eye layer. Press Shift+D. Move one above the up lid. Now go to the Track Matte tab and select Alpha Matte. OK. Now do the same thing to the other lid shape. OK, now I will hide these layers. Let's animate eyelids now. Press P and create a keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes right and make another keyframe. Go another 10 keyframes and create a keyframe again. Now come to the first keyframe and move the down lid to down. That's good. Now move up the upper lid. Go to the third keyframe and copy and paste the first keyframe. Select all keyframes. Press and hold the Alt key and move the last keyframe to the left. Go to Duik and create another slider controller. Let's move it near to the face. Now select all eyelid keyframes and click on Connect to Properties. Let's check this. That's cool, right? I hide these layers and let's see what we have to rig more. I create another slider controller for eyebrows. Move it up above the eye controller. Select eyebrow layers and press R for rotation. Create a keyframe here, and go to 10 keyframes right and create another keyframe. Go 10 keyframes again and make new keyframes. Come to the first keyframe and change the angle of the right eyebrow to 10. Now change the left eyebrow angle to -10. Okay, let's make it -15. Also, change the right eyebrow to 15. Now go to the third keyframe and do the opposite. Right eyebrow to -15. And left eyebrow to +15. OK. Now select all keyframes and click on Connect to Properties. Perfect. Let's rename these controllers. Eyebrow Controller, Eye Controller, Head Controller. Now hide these. Let's animate the mouth. Go to Mouth Path. Select Path. Make keyframes. Go to the Pen tool and select Convert Vertex tool. Select these points. And select again. Select the Pen tool. Change the mouth points like this. Press Shift plus arrow to move like this. Perfect. Now go to the third keyframe and change the mouth shape like this. Create a slider controller again. Move it here. Now select all mouthpath keyframes and hit the Connect to Properties. That's nice, isn't it? Hide mouth layer. Now, unhide all layers and parent eyelid shape layers to the eye layer. Perfect. Now hide again. Let's animate this face with these controllers now. First, I'm going to animate the head. So, press P and make a keyframe here. Go 20 keyframes to right and make another keyframe and move the head controller to the right. Go 10 keyframes to the left and move the head controller to the down. Go another 20 keyframes to the right and copy, paste the first keyframe, then move the head controller to the right. Come back to another 10 keyframes to the left and move the head controller down. Select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Great! Now animate eyes. Press P and make a keyframe here. Go 4 keyframes and move the eye controller to the middle. Go another 4 keyframes and move the eye controller to the right. Select all keyframes. Press and hold Alt move first keyframe to the right. Go and create another keyframe here, and create keyframes like this. Let's move these keyframes here. That's better. Now select Eyebrow Controller and press P. Create keyframes here and here. Let's move these to here. Okay, now let's animate the mouth. Make keyframe here. And move it here. Go here and move the mouth controller to the right. Now go to 15 frames and copy. Paste the second keyframe. Go 5 more frames to the right and copy. Paste the first keyframe. Go 10 keyframes and copy. Paste the fourth keyframe. Go another 5 keyframes and move the controller to the left. Go here and copy. Paste the fifth keyframe. Now go here and copy, paste the first keyframe. Great! That's it. Hope you learned how to rig and animate a face using Duik Bassel. I invite you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you think about this video. Also, share this with your friend. Since it is my first video, I really appreciate your support. See you soon.